The reinstatement of failed street ironwork installations is estimated to cost about £200 million per year. With a focus on continuing improvement and product development, Saint-Gobain PAM has now developed the installation levelling system to complement its range of access covers and grates. The Install Plus frame levelling system will help installers fit ironwork right first time to ensure a long life with less maintenance and reduce its whole life cost. It will also save time on site to cut both cost and traffic disruption and minimise waste through the more efficient use of materials. The Install Plus frame levelling system consists of specially engineered nylon inserts located in the frame flange, with corresponding bolts which the installer can adjust between 15mm and 50mm to account for changes in the frame height, road gradient or camber. A simple but precise screw bolt adjustment which ensures a rapid and efficient process of installation. The 15mm spacer below the flange ensures that the minimum recommended depth of bedding material is achieved. These adjustable inserts also ensures that the installer uses the optimum amount of bedding materials both below and above the frame flange. Before starting the installation, ensure all existing bedding material is removed from the uppermost surfaces of the chamber or shaft to leave a clean, sound and firm supporting surface. Position the frame carefully and squarely over the chamber opening. It is essential that the top surface of the frame and cover is installed flush and level with the surrounding surface. The integrated frame levelling system, incorporated into the latest range of PAM access covers and grates, now provides a quick and precise means of support and adjustment of the unit during the early stages of installation. If required, adjustment can be made by rotating the 4 nylon bolts to allow for gradient, camber in the road, or to raise the frame to the required finish level. These nylon inserts have a range of adjustment from 15mm to 50mm. Mechanically mix Ultracrete EnviroBed HA104 using 1 unit of EnviroBed powder with 1 unit of EnviroBed liquid. The amount of liquid required may be adjusted depending on the required consistency. Compact the mortar into the void on the front edge of the chamber, ensuring no gaps are left. This creates a dam to prevent the bedding material pouring out into the chamber. The material should be immediately placed and used within 5 minutes of mixing. The product will set within 30 minutes of mixing. Once the mortar has stiffened, mechanically mix EnviroBed Flowable HA104 using 1 unit of EnviroBed Flowable powder with 1 unit of EnviroBed Flowable liquid. The mortar should be applied within 4 minutes of mixing by pouring from one side of the pre-level frame at a time and gradually working all the way around, allowing the mortar to flow under and over the frame flange. Once the frame is secured, mix additional mortar to haunch over the flange of the frame. The top shoulder of the nylon bush indicates the minimum bedding depth of 20mm. The flowable bedding mortar will set within 30 minutes of mixing and will be ready to receive the final road surface. The Saint-Gobain PAM frame levelling system offers right first time installation. It's simple to use with no specialist tools required. Durable components. Time and cost savings on site. Efficient use of reinstatement and bedding materials. Is available on a wide range of Saint-Gobain PAM UK access covers and gratings. For optimum performance and durability, use in conjunction with Ultracrete EnviroBed HA104 flowable bedding mortar.